You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these Chinese province. For more famous names of places in China and more confusing Chinese names, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So in Mandarin, in Chinese, this is said as Shaanxi, Shaanxi. Now in English, indeed, it is often pronounced as Shaanxi, alright, Shaanxi, because you have an X, but the X in Mandarin or in Chinese is pronounced as Xi, not Xi, not Qi, Xi. So rather than Shaanxi, it's Shaanxi, Shaanxi. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.